Samsung nailed it with the S23 Ultra, and I have to admit I'm impressed with the performance of S23 Ultra. It's just that, is it worth buying against the Pixel Pro, as Pixel Pro is way cheaper, and that could be the reason for most of the people as a deal breaker. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make a list on what do you like the most in an Android smartphone, and by the end of this video, you will have your answer of getting any of this device. Spoiler alerts, S23 Ultra is a beast. Let's kick things off with a battery where most of the people including me is concerned about the S23 Ultra. And Samsung done a great job. Although if you own Pixel Pro, you better know Pixel Pro is not a great phone if we talk about the battery backup. But S23 Ultra is going neck to neck against the iPhone 14 Pro Max, as iPhone 14 Pro Max was a battery champ last year. If you talk about Pixel Pro, it is already behind S22 Ultra last year, and we may see a difference of about 1.5 hours between S23 Ultra and Pixel Pro. And if you use light mode on the S23 Ultra, you can even extend the battery on the S23 Ultra. So, if you need a better battery backup, look no further and get S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, which one would you prefer, S23 Ultra or Pixel Pro? Cameras are where Pixel Pro have a bit of a say, but S23 Ultra came with the 200 megapixel camera and dominated the camera comparison. As neat features along with the 200 megapixel are amazing. Just want to mention, Google's new AI algorithm helps Pixel Pro to take the best looking shots, but S23 Ultra wins the race with more pixels. Now these more pixels will help if you are taking the zoom shots, which brings insane detail, and I'm talking about the 100x zoom. Also, Samsung came out with the 4K portrait video mode and 8K video recording at 30fps. Performance is something S23 Ultra is way ahead, not just in numbers but also in raw performance. Although in benchmarks, Pixel Pro is behind S23 Ultra, or I should say it was already behind S22 Ultra last year. But benchmarks don't matter these days. Still, S23 Ultra matching the performance of iPhone 14 Pro Max, and Pixel is way behind somewhere near S22 Ultra, which is one downside of the Pixel Pro. Displays on both devices are quite the same. Both comes with adaptive refresh rate, where S23 Ultra comes with 1750 nits peak brightness and the Pixel Pro comes with 1500 nits. If you like flat display, Pixel is your option, and if you like curved display, S23 Ultra is go-to option. Although Samsung reduced the curve on S23 Ultra compared to the S22 Ultra. If you love stock Android and don't need extra features, Pixel Pro comes with the best deal of $899, but if you need all Ultra specs in your Android device including the S Pen, then you have to spend $1199 on the S23 Ultra, and it will be more expensive in other regions. If you guys want to see how S23 Ultra versus S22 Ultra camera comparison, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.